Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel PSpice Tips. Today I'm going to show how to create your own measurement or your own function to calculate results that are interesting and are also necessary for you in order, for example, to analyze your specifications. For that I'm going to simulate this Chebyshev filter. I get here my results, and well, you can define or you can evaluate here different measurements. For that you click on trace measurements and you get here an amount of measurements that are per default available in the installation. If you don't know, for example, for what it is used, you can click on it, you can click on view, and you have you find here a description in order to use this. Imagine that in all of these measurements you don't find what you need. Let's say, for example, the ripple. So you want to analyze, for example, the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value in this situation. So you need the amount of ripple because it is important for you, for your requirement. For example, the ripple must be lower than, let's say, 10 millivolts, for example. How to define your own measurement? You click on new, you say, for example, I'm going to also write test. You can save these measurements locally or globally. I would recommend locally. Locally it is directly saved in this file. You click on OK and automatically you get here per default this syntax. So you have here text 1. With this one, what you get is, okay, you have to introduce one trace. Then you can put different variables, let's say, for example, x, epsilon, weight, z, etc. And then what you get with this x, weight, z is at the end the values you have to introduce to look for. Okay, I'm going to show here an example with ripple because I have already defined the ripple function. We can see here, for example, okay, I want to calculate the ripple for one trace. In this case I will use this trace of here. It will begin more or less in this point, 1,1 kilohertz, and it will end in 10 kilohertz. And as a result I will get the values of weight 1, that is this one, and this one. So this one minus this one. This is the result between this one and this one. Okay. So if I click on eval, I get the name of the trace. I have said you can also click here and you get here the list. You say here, for example, 1,1k, 10k. Okay, and automatically you get here 0.1 is here, 0.2 is here, and you get here the results. That is the ripple for this trace. This is one really good option to analyze if you reach your requirements or not. And then it's important because these measurements, these requirements at the end are used in PSpice advanced analysis in order to improve these values, taking into account optimizer, Monte Carlo, sensitivity, etc. I hope it helps. If you have any doubt, don't hesitate to write down on comments, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.